Hello everyone, welcome. So today I am going through drawers. And before we get started and I explain all of this, just know you matter. Thanks for joining me. If you like what you see, please give it a thumbs up and think of subscribing. Thanks. So as you can see, this drawer itself was a total disaster. So I went in to try and find something and then realized what a mess it is. So of course I just had to take it all out. So I'm looking at it and putting it in piles on my desk to figure out where I want the stuff. Because there's a lot of stuff in there and it's a mess. Originally it had a lot of my ribbon and not ribbon but threads and stuff for sewing, so there's a lot of clumps in there that just is insane and not needed. So I decided to chuck them. Not all, no, y'all, chuck the stuff that wasn't good. And going through this, I wound up with some ideas for a video because I had a bunch of those flashcards that I used for school, and I'm like, I don't use them anymore. I don't need them anymore. So look for a video coming up with that. It should be fun. Miss Leia, that is a no-no. Sorry, she is clawing at my curtains. Not okay. Oh, cats are so exhausting sometimes. They just listen and then don't want to listen. Oh my goodness. So anyways. So yeah, I'm just right now removing everything. So while you watch this, I'm going to tell you a story about this little miss of a cat. So because of my health issues, she has been extra clingy to me. She normally never wants to come near me, which I'm fine with because I'm really allergic to both of them. Well, I had a point where I would put a blanket all the way up on me so she can get on me, but I wouldn't have her fur on me, and that helps some. And so I went and did that with her, and now that's the only way she'll get on me. And she tells me off over and over and over until I get a blanket on me so she can jump on me to give me loves. She even does it with my husband. Like, she used to always snuggle with my husband in the morning, and then when I got sick, she changed her mind and started snuggling with me, unfortunately. I do like it sometimes, but... So now he has to lay on the sofa, put a blanket on him, and then she'll jump on and snuggle and get some snuggles. So weird. The boy cat Luke, he doesn't like snuggles unless you're gay. My son, that's his cat. He really doesn't want anyone else. He'll tolerate my husband giving him loves, but other than that, oh no, you pick him up, he gives you a dirty look. Okay, so back to the video. I am just finding something to clean up all of this. There's just a lot of little stuff here and there. I'm trying to find something to wipe it up, clean it up, and all that. And yeah, just processing, working. Getting rid of all the little bits and stuff. I wound up having that block is a sander thingy. Anyway, so I decided to put all of my threads back in here and make this my sewing drawer. I'm putting my bobbins in, and I'm literally just deciding what I want and what I don't want, because a lot of the stuff that was in there really was not going to go back in there. I didn't want it in there at all. And so I just keep trying and figuring out what. I know I want like all of my needles in there for the sewing machine needles and my rotary cutter blades and stuff like that, because I'm always forgetting and I always have to, all of these containers are just random stuff that I've had. Quite a bit of it I got at the Dollar Tree, but some of it's just random. And so I always have to keep closing to make sure it still fits and all that kind of stuff. And I realized I had so many safety pins in this other container that I really needed them gone and all in one place. So I knew where they all were. Not that I use safety pins very often anymore, so I kind of go hide them in the very back. The only thing, these drawers came from IKEA. And as much as I think it's really, really good and nice, and I really like these drawers, the problem is they don't pull out far enough. Like there's a huge gap. Anyways, so I got some stuff from the top drawer because, let's face it, why there was thread up there was beyond me. So the difference, the thread that I just put in the middle, that is 100% cotton thread. And then I'm putting some of the specialty threads in there because I think that's just, needed. And I always take stuff out and re-put it on. This is the thing, guys. If you don't know if you like it, take it out. Well, put it all in the way you think you like it. Use it. And if you don't like it, take it out and redo it. So anyways, and here's me starting to do the top drawer because I figured, why not? I'm already on a roll. And I had energy to do it, which is huge. Although I have been getting a lot more energy lately. And it's crazy because people have noticed that I've had more energy lately. So those who have normally are with me all the time noticed how lagging and tired I was. And now they can tell I actually have energy, which is really good. That means that vitamin D pills are working really well. So I will gladly take it. So this top drawer normally has all of my inks and stuff like that. So what I'm doing is just going through, figuring out what's what, taking it all out, cleaning it out, all that same stuff that we always do, right? When we finish clearing out a drawer. I don't know about you, but I have to have everything out for a clean slate. And I only did the 2 drawers. I still have more to do. So, yeah, it's just the 2. Oh, well. So, this top drawer actually winds up being more of my inks. I put my inks back because I really like them there. So a lot of this is just, I keep the stuff that was up in the top drawer that shouldn't have been in the top drawer, but yeah, I crammed it there because I was lazy and didn't want to put it back where it belongs. So now I found another little tool a little drawer container that was up that I like. And I believe this is what I'm using to put some of my other stuff in. Oh, my cables. Yeah. Who do you, so many cables. It's ridiculous. Like totally insane. Yeah. I look at this drawer and I go, yep, nope, I don't want to deal with it. But I will take that container. So I did steal that container. Hopefully I don't need it for the other drawer. Oh, well. But anyways, I'm in the process of just filling up and working on that top drawer. So in that top drawer, I start putting my inks and stuff back in because I really like my inks up there. And my Dopplers, I think that's what they're called, the little circle thingies that you put in the ink and smear it on the edges. Anyhow, I like all that kind of stuff up there. But I also put like my razor blade stuff, my dad's knife, and some other little stuff. That is a sewing kit that I decided to keep down where the sewing stuff. Oh, what a concept, right? Sewing stuff should be with the sewing. And boy, is that area under my desk messy. I'm going to have to attack that again. This is the problem with voiceovers. Y'all get me rambling and making no sense. So sorry. So anyhow, I'm putting all those little different colors in there. And then I just start filling up the rest of this top. So I'm going to end my babbling before I say something I don't remember. That could be embarrassing. And I'll come back near the end. So basically this top drawer winds up with all of my inks and like some scissors and a mic and stuff like that. Once I get all of these drawers organized, which let's hope they get organized before the top two get destroyed again. That would be a good goal. I need to put that down as a goal. So anyways, I hope y'all have a fabulous day. And I hope this video helps you to organize stuff. Thank you for following me and listening to me ramble on and on and on, because yeah, I am doing that quite a bit. And I will see you guys later. Thanks. Enjoy the rest of the video without me chatting. Bye.